Here we have a pre-finished red oak floor, pre-finished with an aluminum oxide finish. To remove the aluminum oxide finish on this pre-finished floor, we're going to use these diamond pucks on our hyper grinder. The diamond discs got rated at 30 grit. Now that we're done with those, we're going to progress to 36 grit, 40 grit, 50 grit, 60 grit, 80 grit, and then 100 grit to finalize the sanding. This is the end result of the floor after 100 grit on the hyper grinder. This floor is extremely flat and extremely smooth. It's ready for finish. This is the first coat that's just been applied. So this is Game Time polyurethane system. It's a 3-coat system. This is the first coat being buffed out. Normally we would have the dust skirt on the buffer, and we would also have the vacuum on the buffer picking up all the dust as we were creating it. In this case, we left the vacuum off, we left the skirt off for educational purposes, just to show how this product abrades. It abrades great, it's a great system, and luckily when you're doing intercoat abrasion, any of the chalky residue that the buffer is creating on the first coat of finish stays on the ground, nothing gets airborne. And once we're done with this extremely quick process, we're going to vacuum it up. We're going to tack rag it, and we're going to apply our second coat. We're going to give that about 4 hours to dry, and we're going to come back and stack on the third coat right on top of the second coat without any intercoat abrasion in between coats. And here the second coat's being applied. We cross roll first, and then we straight roll with the grain to straighten out the polyurethane. Cross rolling just ensures that the urethane does get maximum coverage on the floor. And this is the completion of the second coat being applied. And this is the second coat dried. And now we're just going to stack the third and final coat right on top of this second coat without any intercoat abrasion.